I'm showing you decomposition reaction now. We have taken lead nitrate crystals. These are white crystals and we are going to heat them on the flame. When we start heating this white color lead nitrate powder, the color changes to yellow due to formation of lead oxide. So the lead nitrate is breaking down to lead oxide, which is yellow in color. It gives out brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide and also oxygen gas is evolved. When we test these brown fumes with a blue litmus paper which is moist, you will observe that it turns red. So the decomposition of lead nitrate yields lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen.
Copper sulfate, iron nails, water. Dissolve 2 spoons of copper sulfate in some water. Swirl it to obtain a clear blue solution. Now place 2 bright soft iron nails into the solution and observe. The nails soon turn reddish brown while the solution turns slightly green. After a while, what happened was the iron from the nails replaced the copper sulfate solution and formed iron sulfate, and the displaced copper precipitated out and settled on the iron. The nails therefore changed the color of copper while the solution showed the characteristic green color of ferrous sulfate. A reaction of this type is called a single displacement reaction. CuSO4 plus Fe gives FeSO4 plus Cu. A single displacement reaction or single replacement reaction is when an element or ion in a compound is replaced by another element or ion.
Double displacement reaction. We have taken lead nitrate solution and potassium iodide solution. You can see both of them are transparent solutions. When we mix the 2 solutions together, they form yellow precipitate as soon as we mix them. You can see the yellow precipitate being formed. This is because the product formed is lead iodide, which is insoluble in water, and it forms a yellow precipitate. After some time, it will settle down. The other product which is formed in this reaction is potassium nitrate. Double displacement reaction. We have taken barium chloride aqueous solution, that is barium chloride salt dissolved in water. This is sodium sulfate aqueous solution. When we mix the 2 solutions together, we will see the white precipitate of barium sulfate being formed. So here you can see as soon as the solutions are mixed, the white precipitate of barium sulfate or the solution becomes milky. After some time it will settle down. Here we have products of barium sulfate as precipitate and sodium chloride which is soluble in water.